In this program, we use two nested while loops to automate a row of circular cuts. The outer loop controls how many circles we want to machine and how far apart they are along the x-axis. Each time the loop runs, it calculates the next position automatically, so we never need to copy and paste code. Inside that, the inner while loop repeats the actual cutting motion. It drops to depth, moves to the start of the circle, performs a full G3 arc, and retracts. This means one loop decides where, and the other loop decides what happens at each location. If we want more circles, a different spacing, or multiple finishing passes, we just change a variable, not the entire program. That is the real power of CNC macro programming. Logic replaces repetition, and automation replaces manual editing. If you're ready to move far beyond basic G and M codes and start programming your CNC like a true automation system, then join the Elite CNC Macro Mastery Program from Macromill. It's where machinists learn loops, conditions, probing, custom cycles, and full CNC intelligence, not just motion commands. Link is in the description. Level up, learn the language behind the machine, and start programming smarter, not harder.